Hello students, my name is Leena. I am from the Department of Art, Architecture and Design. I teach fine arts. Art is as ancient as the humankind is. We can see the examples of early ancient art in the Eastern and the Western world both. For today's, my topic is the life and works of Vincent van Gogh. Van Gogh was one of the famous artists in the Western world. Van Gogh was born on March 30th, 1853 in Holland. He had a family of 8 with 3 sisters and 2 brothers. His early life. Van Gogh realized selling art was not for him. He then decided to follow his father's footsteps and became a minister, but this was not his genre. After being a minister, he finally found his passion for art. Van Gogh worked in multiple art galleries in Paris, London, France, etc. and he started exhibiting his work from the age of 16, which is very early. His first painting was The Potato Eaters. It was painted in 1885. Some people believe that Van Gogh had not yet mastered the technique and the skill of the painting for The Potato Eaters. The Potato Eaters unfortunately did not become one of the famous paintings by Vincent van Gogh. As we can see, this is the painting which is called The Potato Eaters. In this we can see there is darkness all around, but there is a light which is from the lamp and it is a yellow color light. Yellow color was one of the favorite color of Vincent van Gogh. It shows spirituality and hope. In here we can see a family of 5 which are peasants and they are just eating boiled potatoes. He showed the poverty, but that the yellow light shows the ray of hope. Van Gogh was an artist who always show a ray of hope in his paintings, though the main subject matter was poverty and illness. His mental state. Van Gogh's mental state problem did not become apparent until 1888. He suffered from several mental diseases like psychotic attacks and delusions. Yet, he was so keen to do the work that he painted the paintings in the mental asylum also. One serious breakdown occurred when Van Gogh chased his fellow artist friend Gauguin around with a knife. Van Gogh later cut a part of his ear and gave it to a woman as a gift, the woman he loved. He later hospitalized himself in Saint-Rémy province. Mental asylum days. As I have told you earlier that Van Gogh was submitted in a mental asylum due to his sickness which was not curing with the passage of time. While Van Gogh was hospitalized, he created The Starry Night, which is in 1889. Starry Night is one of the world famous paintings. As we can see, it was the use of blue color and the yellow color only, and there are swirls around. There are so many swirls. You can see the painting at the bottom. Some believe that Van Gogh's shaky and swirling technique was his way of showing his mental status. We can see a number of multiple brush strokes which are broken but in a swirl. We can see the movement, we can see the rhythm. These are all the principles of art which was followed by Van Gogh, yet people did not recognize him as an artist. This technique can be used in all the Van Gogh's painting while he was hospitalized. The Starry Night is one of the Van Gogh's most famous art piece in the world. Van Gogh allows the viewer to become a part of the painting. It has been replicated multiple times through songs, clothing, shoes, posters and individual duplicate of Van Gogh's masterpiece. Several artists from the world have replicated the Starry Night by Van Gogh. More Starry Nights. This was one of the famous which was painted in 1889, but there are several Starry Night paintings painted by Van Gogh. Van Gogh produced 2 other paintings reflecting the Starry Night technique. Both Starry Night over the Rhone and the Café Terrace on the Arles, and better known as Café Terrace at Night, which was painted in 1888. This resembles with the Starry Night which was painted in 1889. These are 2 paintings which are also known as the Starry Night. The one on the left is showing a river and the night with the stars, and the other is showing a cafe at a night, and which shows the usage of yellow and blue color. For blue, Van Gogh was showing the sadness, and yellow was the hope and the spiritualism. Sunflowers. Sunflower was the second favorite technique and the theme of Van Gogh. There are two sunflower paintings that we can see in this slide. One is showing the blue background and a withered sunflower in a very detailed way, and the other is showing the still life, which is most of the yellow color is used and the other is blue. In the still life sunflower painting, we can see there are three types of sunflower. One is the new sunflower, the other one is about to wither, and the third one are almost withered. This shows the passage of life like childhood, adulthood and the old age. Van Gogh is known for his sunflower paintings. They were painted between 1888 and 1889, mainly in Arles, which is in France. Van Gogh painted them to decorate his friend's Paul Gauguin's bedroom while the two lived together. They were the roommates. The third and the foremost painting of Van Gogh was Iris. This is a kind of flower which is blue in color, and he used the technique of bold brushstrokes in this. We can see the painting in the slide. This flower is known as irises. Van Gogh created works of art while hospitalized in France. Along with the Starry Night, Van Gogh created Nature Study, which has now become the famous painting in the world. His painting Irises 1889 is one of the most expensive piece of art ever. It sold for $54 billion in 1987. It is now on display at the Getty Center, LA. Apart from painting, Van Gogh did a number of drawings. Drawing, as we can see, is done with pencil, pen or ink. Van Gogh drew over 1000 drawings from 1877 till 1890. He saw drawings as a way to build up technique and skill level for an artist. Van Gogh told that if we can draw, we can paint also. He mainly used black, red and blue chalks, pencil, reed pen and charcoal for his drawings. The only painting he sold. This is a surprising thing that in his whole lifetime he just sold one painting, and this is the painting we can see in the slide. This only painting was the sold painting by Van Gogh. Van Gogh only sold one painting in his entire life, the Red Vineyard. See, this is called the Red Vineyard. Even though Van Gogh is seen as a world-renowned artist in current culture, he never was recognized as an artist truly in his whole lifetime, which is a very pity thing to be thinked. Unfortunately, Van Gogh attempted suicide on July 27, 1890. He shot himself in the chest but somehow survived. He died 2 days after. Although Van Gogh was not considered as an artist during his life, he has become one of the most well-known artists in the world now. Some of the major works by Van Gogh. He was very fascinated by the portrait paintings also, and we can see a number of portrait paintings by Van Gogh. He also did the self-portraits. This painting is a self-portrait of Van Gogh in his middle ages. The other one is Night Cafe. The Night Cafe is one of the major subjects done by Van Gogh. Here we can see the multiple perspective and the usage of yellow color. As we can see, there is a much use of yellow color along with red. So the colors are only primary. Prisoners exercising. This painting shows the mental status of Van Gogh, in which there are several number of prisoners who are marching in a circular motion, but there is no emotional contact between any of them, and they are just thinking of their own selves, not talking to anybody, and they are a prison in their own mind also. Thank you so much.